I did some damage, my friends. And today I'm going to be doing something different. It's going to be a car unboxing haul, or a haul, or an unboxing, or a haul unboxing inside a car, something along those lines. It's gonna be different because this wasn't my idea to do it this way. What happened is yesterday, Thursday, well, when you're watching this, well, when I'm uploading this video, it's gonna be Saturday, but I'm recording it on a Friday. And yesterday I went to my local Sephora store and they actually invited me to a Rouge exclusive event, which basically they invited the Rouge members at that specific Sephora store to shop exclusively 1 hour earlier than their shoppers. So anyhow, they invited me and they gave me a little gift by Olaplex. There's some goodies inside right here, just free samples. It's mostly the bag than anything else, but it was nice because there were not that many people from the get-go. So what I basically did is I dropped off my little girl, then drove to the Sephora store, and then by the time that I got out, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm running out of time. So I went back home and then I applied just a little bit of makeup, not too much. I will make sure to put it in the description box below if you're wondering what I have as far as makeup. But as you know, I cater weddings and I do event planning, and guess what? When I'm uploading this video, it's a Saturday. I have a wedding. So today, Friday, I'm like rushing into finishing the last things. I mean, uploading some stuff on my car, on the van, you know, just organizing for the big day. So I don't think I'm gonna have the time to go to my house and film a video inside my house. So we're gonna do this whole video here inside my car. So just a little bit reminder right here, if you're a Rouge member, you get to shop the Sephora Spring Savings event with 20% off. All the rest of tiers, you can shop the Sephora collection with 30% off. So let's just unbox this stuff that I have right here. Where do I start? Do we start with the big bag? I guess so. I got right here, this is the Beige Floor, Biggie Beige Floor Elastic Cream. And I was so excited because I really love this cream, but it always comes in the smaller pot, and I usually use the Bonbon cream. So when I saw that they had this beautiful jar, I'm like, okay, I need to get it. I really need to get it. And the smell is just so beautiful. If you love, say, Burberry hair, or if you love Baccarat Rouge 540, if you're into layering, I will highly suggest you get this cream and then layer on top with one of those fragrances, or a fragrance that has that profile maybe, or just use it alone by itself. Okay, let me show you what else I got right here. Okay, oh, I got this Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm No Filter Primer. So I have been seeing this product go viral because how it blurs the enlarged pores, and I just want to give it a try because I do have enlarged pores here on my cheeks. So I mean, let's see. I'm gonna try it and we go from there. Okay, and then I was able to get my hands on the Super Goop Glow Screen Sunscreen. This is the original one. Now they have 4 different shades. They basically added a lighter one, which has kind of like a light pinky tone, and then a deeper one, which is like a deeper bronze tone. But I got the original version, and this is the, I think this is the biggest size. Is this a larger size or no? Oh gosh, I think I got, no, this is the regular size. Ah, Jacqueline, I was supposed to get the larger size, right? Oh my. Okay, so I'm gonna have to exchange it, but that's okay. It's not a big of a deal. And I also got this Kosas the Dream Bean Comfy Smooth Sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF 40, and I'm honest with you, I was really impressed when I swatched it. It looks super beautiful, very much alike to the Super Goop, but I think it has a better consistency in a way. I don't know. I mean, obviously I will need to try it. Also SPF 40. And another thing, I also was able to swatch from Kosas their new, I think it's called Revive or something, or Vive or Viv, or I don't remember, but it's kind of like a primer, which it's kind of like a fusion with a highlighter. but it had a lot of shimmer particles, and I'm like, but this is not the style of Kosas. I mean, like, why they did something like that? I didn't like it because, in fact, when I was outside, I was able to see on my hands a bunch of glitter. So I'm like, I'm not gonna put that on my face. So I skip on that one. And since we're on the kick of SPF, I also got that Shiseido clear sunscreen stick. It is my understanding that you can use this sunscreen on top of your makeup to reapply. So I cannot wait to try it. And then, oh, another cream, and it's also by Sol de Janeiro. This is the Rio Radiance cream. There you have it. So I got this baby, and this smells so good. Now, when I was trying it at the store, well, when I like kind of like give it a go with a sample, the tester, it says that it's supposed to give you a body glow. It has squalane in it, but interesting enough, I didn't get so much of like shimmer or glitter. I think perhaps, you know how it is that the light at the store, it's just so weird. So I will need to try it. Let's see if there's anything else in this bag. Yeah, okay. So I also bought this Wild Watermelon Power Mist by Touchland. This is just a hand sanitizer. What a big of a deal, right? I know. And then that's it on this bag. I have a couple other baggies right here. Okay, so I got 2 of these Tatcha Strengthening Nighttime Ritual, and I don't remember seeing it on the website, or perhaps this was something that was limited edition and they happened to have it at my local Sephora, but I ended up getting 2 of these because this is an excellent price. So the value is of $131, but it costs you $95. The Indigo Overnight Repair Cream costs, I think, $96, if I'm not mistaken. Something along those lines, but this one comes with a Silk Peony, a little mini size, and then a mini size of the Essence. So I thought, okay, this is really good. So I got 1 for myself, and then I have another one right here for my mom. And talking about my mom, I told you that I was gonna get her the Hourglass Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. She really loved this one because it gives a very natural glow to her skin. It gives hydration to her skin, and she loves it. She's over 80 years old, so I know, she's so sweet. She's on her 8th floor. So I bought her a new one of this one, and I'm excited to give it to her. I know, she's so sweet, my mama. Okay, so that's that, and then a couple more things right here. Okay, from Dior, I went ahead and picked up 2 Dior lip maximizers in the shade Beige. It's just this beautiful kind of nudie shade. Do I need it? No, I don't need it. Honestly, I don't need it, but the shade in person, it looks so appealing to me because it's a beautiful cool tone. Now, these are kind of translucent, so it may not even make much of a big of a deal. So, I don't know. And then I also have been eyeing to the one in pink. And this is just a pinky tone. I mean, again, nothing like so special, but I don't know if I need this or not. I'm right now questioning myself because I need to place an order for the lip maximizers from the summer collection. I say I need, I really don't need, but I really want to. But when I was at the local Sephora store, I felt like, oh my gosh, these look so pretty. So I pick up 2, and then I went ahead and bought another one of the Necessary the Body Serum. This is great. It's a fantastic product. I use it all the time. I use it all the time. It's fragrance free. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and it has something else. I don't remember. Oh, ceramides. So this is perfect, and it gives a lot of hydration. Leaves your skin so beautiful. And then I also purchased another one of my Money Mask. I'm sure I'm going to be purchasing more of these. I went ahead and also placed my order online. Oh, and you don't know, I have my camera prop right now. Let me show you what I have. Hold on. Is the Tatcha the cleansing oil. I don't have where to prop my camera. So anyhow, friends, oh, Camera, don't fall. Please, don't fall. Alright. Okay. Alrighty, my friends. And these are all the products that I got on my shopping trip at my local Sephora. I have already placed also an order online that I'm sure is going to be coming fairly soon. But today I wanted to give you my first Sephora haul for the spring sale. And I mean, I think I have been fairly successful. There's things that I forgot. Like right now that I saw the back of Olaplex, I'm like, the shampoo, because I know my daughter, she uses the shampoo. My oldest daughter, she's the one that uses the shampoo very often, so I need to go back and get that one too. But anyhow, my friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm so grateful every one of you that are watching these kind of videos. I know it's kind of like torture because pretty much every single beauty YouTuber, they are uploading the Sephora recommendations haul. So I really appreciate if you're watching my videos. I know the video that I uploaded yesterday, that it was kind of like a shop with me at my local Sephora in addition to my online order, like what I was adding to cart. I don't know, but it was like not very well, I don't know if received or promoted by the algorithm of YouTube, because it has very low views, and I feel so bad about it because I have been sleeping so little in the past 4 days just trying to get these Sephora content out and give you those recommendations, and I'm just sleep deprived, which I shouldn't do, and yeah, and to see that things are low, it's just but anyhow, friends, I also want to say a big thank you once again to those who have left me a testimonial for the Sephora squad, because I have applied to it. We are almost, I think, almost 100 testimonials, and if you end up leaving me a testimonial, I'm not able to see it, I'm not able to read the testimonials. If you want to screenshot it and send it to me on a message on Instagram or tag me on your stories, I then will share them on my stories. Let's do that, because I would love to read what are you saying about me. It would be great. So, but anyhow, thank you so much for putting off your time and leaving that testimonial for me. I really appreciate you. And yes, my friends, this makes it for this video. If you haven't done so yet, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. It would be incredible if you can come and follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends, and if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos right here that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.